Hi everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of this show. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing beef stroganoff. This recipe has been requested so many times and I absolutely love beef stroganoff. It's one of my favorite dishes. To be honest, I haven't really met anyone who doesn't like beef stroganoff. And this recipe is very unique and very special. It's been passed on to me by my babushka grandma, and there's few little things that we add to make it incredible. If you want to get access to this recipe, including 500 other amazing recipes, you can join my online cooking school at AllasYummyFood.com/recipes and join thousands of other students just like you. And we have our amazing cooking and baking community. You have my support, you have no ads in my membership, and it's just super easy to search for any recipe, so you don't have to break your head anymore. You also save time and money because all the recipes are 100% tested, so you'll never fail and waste any of that. I really hope you join our online cooking school, and you can find more details down below in my description box, or you can check it out on my website. Now let's get cooking. To make this beautiful beef stroganoff, we're going to take onion, peel and chop it into fine dice. The smaller the onion, the better it will taste. I like a lot of onions, so I'm just showing you here a quick way how to chop an onion and get a fine cut. You're then going to add a little bit of butter and oil into your pan and then add your onions. We want to place our onions and cook them on medium heat until they completely soften and get nice beautiful color. The reason why we add butter and oil is just to get that caramelized color, but also not to burn the onions. In the meantime, I'm going to chop my mushrooms into nice thin pieces just like so. I like to use these type of mushrooms that have a bit more flavor. However, you can also use wild mushrooms as they are the best with beef stroganoff. You can also use a mix of wild mushrooms and closed cup. It's completely up to you. Once your onions are nice and cooked and getting this beautiful golden color, we're going to start to add our mushrooms inside. You want to cook your onions and mushrooms over the medium-low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. You really want to make sure all the water evaporates from your mushrooms and they cook down a lot. You're then going to take your ribeye steak. You can use any other cut of your beef. The higher quality beef you use, the softer the beef stroganoff will be. That's why I like to use ribeye. You're then going to chop it up into nice thin pieces, just like so. And I like to make it really, really thin and not too long so that you can have it with each bite. So just chop it up into nice and even pieces. And then once you've done that, your meat is ready. Once your mushrooms are cooked down, you want to add flour and just mix it through. And then you're going to start adding a little bit of beef stock and mixing the stroganoff. So you want to add a little bit of your stock, mix it through, then add a bit more and mix it through. The color should be nice, dark and brown. I also like to add a bit of mustard inside the beef stroganoff. It gives it so much flavor. And just cook it for a few more seconds. Then take your meat and then add it into your beef stroganoff. Coat it all the way around. And at this stage, you want to start adding your sour cream and double cream. Make sure to season it really, really well with salt and pepper. And we're going to cook this for just a couple minutes until our beef is cooked. Here as well, it completely depends how you like your beef. I like my beef medium, so I don't usually cook this for very long. Especially if you're planning to reheat this dish, it's always better to cook less than more for meat to stay nice and soft and not chewy. Once your beef stroganoff is done, you can serve it with some dill, parsley or coriander, mix it through and then serve it with some rice, mashed potatoes, noodles, you name it. I absolutely love this dish. It's one of my favorites. I love the sauce. It's so creamy and so delicious. I hope you enjoy it.